Good afternoon, this is Andy from Vehicle Fit. Just done a set of locks on this new style Transit Custom. We've done hook deadlocks in the high position. These are cut into the offside door and with a keep fitted on this near side door with a little bit of a turn on that lower bracket to help it latch into place. If you do attempt the door, if you don't get any movement on these on the door, and just have to shove that a bit to release the key. This is a high position deadlock, hook lock. On the side door again, this is a high position hook lock. When you do attempt the door, no movement on there at all. These are hook again on the side door, and that's cut into a little aperture on the C-pillar, and that's all wax oiled in there. No swarf on this van, no swarf on the runners, on the footstep. Clean down the van after every install, and we've just fitted a little it's not one-off supply, but it's made by Ring, a dash cam. So we fitted it on the just to the left hand side of the centre binnacle, just so it's out of the driver's field of view. Obviously if it's in the swept area of the van, so that's pretty much the view you get from a driver. As long as it's out of the swept area, you should be okay. We have to mount it quite low down, otherwise it will pick up this edge of the binnacle, and also if you put it too high up, it'll pick up the wet area of the unswept area of the windscreen. So wires have been running to this, and they've been powered off the same source as the skylighter, which should power down after the ignition goes off. Well, it does power down. So yeah, new Transit Custom. I've done a few of these now, immobilised them and locked them, and I'm just still a bit, don't know. You tell me what you think in the comments. This is like a base model remote start setup that appears to be built in, because this is an automatic, which is nice. Windows on these, you can close them. So global open, global close. Basically, if you want to open them, you unlock the van and then hold down the remote for 3 seconds and they will all roll down. Global close, I think you just hold down the lock button and they will roll up. I think they've also got mirrors, folding mirrors on these, auto fold. So on these, when you lock the van, they will fold in. This is a base van. The left that passenger door open, so it's not going to fold. But yeah, let me know what you think. This is all supplied and fitted by Andy from Vehicle Fit in the West Midlands. 07900 60 5040. Thank you.